Runway 383 Mike Golf, taxi to holding point runway 22 via Bravo 1 Alpha Foxtrot.
Bravo 1 Alpha Foxtrot to holding point runway 22, 383 Mike Golf. Mr. Tower, good morning, November 383 Mike Golf, approaching Foxtrot, and we're ready for immediate departure.
November 383 Mike Golf, after departure turn right, avoid overfly military apron, wind 110 degrees, 05 knots, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
Roger, copy, and runway 22 clear for takeoff, 383 Mike Golf.
November 383 Mike Golf, report reaching 2,000 feet or 10 miles.
Report 2,000 feet or 10 miles, 383 Mike Golf. 383 Mike Golf is climbing through 2,000 feet.
November 383 Mike Golf, contact La Mesa Control 119.7.
La Mesa Control 1197, buen dia. La Mesa Control, November 383 Mike Golf, good morning, climbing through 2,600.
November 383 Mike Golf, visual display, visual climb pilot discretion, QNH 2988. When able, flight direct to La Aurora.
Copy QNH 2988, and we're working around some clouds here, and then we'll be direct Aurora.
Mike Golf, contact La Aurora radio 128.1.
Contact Aurora 128.1. Thank you, good day. Aurora radio, November 383 Mike Golf, 20 miles to the northeast, landing Aurora.
383 Mike Golf, contact Aurora tower 118.1.
Contact tower 118.1, 383 Mike Golf. Aurora Tower, good morning, good afternoon. November 383 Mike Golf is 3 miles to the northeast, VFR.
383 Mike Golf, Aurora Tower, join right downwind, runway 02, QNH 3015, report right downwind.
Report right downwind, runway 02, 383 Mike Golf.